Hello ladies and gentlemen, hope you are well. This is physics. In this video we want to focus on the question you are seeing on the board. It is coming from 2017 grade 12. Of course, physics is science paper 1 and it was question A2. Now the question: a stone has a mass of 390 grams and a density of 2.7 grams per cubic centimeters. Cooking oil has a density of 0.90 grams per cubic centimeters. What mass of oil has the same volume as the stone? Options were provided. A, 130 grams, B, 160 grams, C, 900 grams, D, 1200 grams. Pause the video, work out, and see if at all you'll be able to get it correct. Let's start. We are told that the stone has a mass of this, so we are now going to come up with the data so that you understand what they are talking about. Data, what is in the question, okay? So one, the mass of the stone. So we are going to say mass of stone. What have we been told? 390 grams. What else? Density of the stone. So I say density of stone, which is what? 2.7 grams per cubic centimeters. What else? Cooking oil has a density of, so now we have density of oil, cooking oil, and this is 0.90 grams per cubic centimeters. What mass of oil has the same density as the same volume as the stone? So what we want is the mass of oil. This is what we need to calculate. Okay. Based on the information here, we start. The question is coming from a topic called general physics. So, how do we get the mass of oil? There's density, there's volume, there's mass in here. So remember the formula. The formula says density is equal to mass over what? Volume. This is the formula that you should always remember. In abbreviation, this can be written, so we can say density, use this Greek symbol, is equal to mass m over v. Now, to get the mass of oil, which is here, mass of oil, you need density and volume. I see that. To get the mass of oil, for me to get the mass of oil, I should be given volume. I should also know density. But looking at the information here, do I have the density of oil? Density of oil is given, yes. Do I have the volume of oil? Look at the information here. We have no volume. But we are told that the volume is as the same as the what? The volume of the stone. So the volume of the stone will be the same as the volume of the oil. Now, we have these two to find the volume of the stone. That is where we want to start from. So now we are going to say density is equal to mass over volume. Whatever we are calculating here, remember, is for the stone. Okay? What is the density of the stone? Density of the stone 2.7. So here 2.7 is equal to, what is the mass of the stone? Mass of the stone 390 over volume, which we want. This same volume they are saying will be the volume of the oil. So over 1 here, cross multiply. 2.7 times V, it will be 2.7 V over 1 times 3, 90, we are going to get 390. To remain with V, divide by 2.7, also the other side by 2.7. Cancel this, V is equal to, now this is physics, you can use the calculator, 390 divided by 2.7. What answer are you going to get? You will be able to find 144.44. Volume is in cubic centimeters there. So this is now the volume of the stone. At the same time, it is the volume of the oil. That is what they've said here. What mass of oil has the same volume as the stone? So the volume that we have calculated here is for both. We now go back to the formula. All we want is the mass of oil. So now what we are going to do here is the same formula. Density is equal to, by the way, this is not P. I'm not writing like this. It is like this, okay? So density is equal to mass over volume. What I want is mass now. What will be the density? Am I going to use this density? No. We have been given the density of oil 0.9. So you get this 0.9 here. 0.90 is equal to, mass is the one that I want. So mass over volume, I've been told that the volume is the same. So this will be 144.44, like this, then over 1. Cross multiply. When you cross multiply there, we are going to have 1 times m, it is m, is equal to 0.90 multiplied by 144.44. Okay, now my mass will be, you use the calculator here, 0.90 times 144.44, you are going to get 129.996, something like this. Now, if you look at the options that have been provided here, we do not have this number, meaning it was rounded off. So now we are going to say mass is equal to, when we round off this to the nearest whole number, you are going to get 130 grams. That is the mass. Did you get it correct? The answer is A. That is the way you should be able to answer. Thank you very much for watching. Remember to share, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and follow me on Facebook and TikTok. Bye-bye.